guys, welcome back to Zik the programming guy channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to set incoming caller name announcer. So whereby you want to set a announcer on your Android phone whereby someone is calling you, and the your phone is going to actually announce this person's name even when you're far from your phone. You understand? So first thing you have to do is open up your call app and you go straight to these three dots. Click on the three dots, click on settings, and once you click on settings, you're going to see a lot menu right here. You're going to click on answering and ending calls. Click on that, and you're going to see where it says read caller's name aloud. Click on that, and you have to actually click on it to enter. You can see it says it's going to actually read the caller's name aloud over Bluetooth or headphones only, but you can choose for always, so that even without your Bluetooth or headphones you can actually read it out. And if you wanted to actually read the caller's name twice, click on this to read it twice. So this is literally how to set incoming caller's name announcer on your Android phone. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.